If you are tired of those wrinkles, black spots on your body, and you want a lighter, brighter, even toned skin that is glowing, this black soap is all you need. And the best part is that it is made with only natural ingredients like black soap, carrot oil, and turmeric. And if you watch this video to the end, you'll be able to learn how to make it in your home within 10 minutes. So keep watching this video and watch to the end. Let's go. These here are the ingredients we'll be using for this DIY production. Here is the glycerin. Note that all the benefits will be listed in the description below. So here is the sweet almond oil. This is the gamma plus for preservation, and the almighty ingredient, the turmeric. And we also have just one carrot. You can see it's big enough for this. And we have our local native black soap that I got from a local market in Nigeria. If you are watching from the United States or anywhere that is not Nigeria and you are worried of how you will be able to get this, you can order it from Amazon. All ingredients set and ready for the DIY. I peeled the back of the carrot and the turmeric and cut them into bits like this because I'll be heating them up a little. So mind you, carrot is rich in vitamin A and vitamin C. So for the vitamins to remain intact, you have to boil them just a short period of time. That is the reason I had to slice them, so the cooking time will be shortened to preserve the nutrients. So the water you are going to add is not going to be that much, just a little to heat up the carrot and the turmeric. So I added them in the pot, covered, and waited for it to simmer. The water has boiled, though the carrot and the turmeric hasn't softened, but that is actually still very good because I do not want the nutrients to go away. So after that, I then put into the blender and use the same water that it boiled in to blend.